I don't know. It just feels like Avery's not even really there anymore. Ever since the pandemic hit, it almost feels like I've lost her. She used to make eye contact and smile and know how to talk to people. Oh, she was a hoot. Now all she does is sew face masks and watch reality TV. Has this happened to you? Have you lost loved ones to face mask making and reality TV binges? Well, believe you me, you are not the only one. But thanks to our patented system, we can help your loved one re-engage fully with the real world. Just try these simple steps. Start by finding another human. Any human will do. Just someone who's not your phone. Try smiling at that human with your eyes. It's called Smizing. And it's guaranteed to work. With our patented Smizing technique, you'll be engaging with other humans within minutes, maybe even seconds. So try Smizing today. We did, and look at how many friends we have. All real human people. Smizing. It really works.